Ano yung
Hmm.
pangalan ng grupo kung saan ka sumali at papanong sasali yung mga interesado halimbawa para
Oh,
makasabay ka nila? Mm.
magandang tanong yan, Dina. Ang
Mm.
grupo ko is naka-base kami sa Calayo Cove, Nasugbu, Batangas. Yung
Okay.
mga naming cove doon sa Nasugbu, ang name ng group namin is Open Water Swimmers Philippines Batangas.
Wow.
Ako yung student lead ngayon. Kasi yung Australian coach ko si, shout out to my coach, Lloyd McDean in Quirino Province. Hi coach, we miss you. Yun yung group namin. So kung gusto nyong sumali, if you swim 500 meters non-stop sa dagat, you can join us in our swim schedule. Just look for our Facebook page, Open Water Swimmers Philippines Batangas.
Mm.
Just leave me a message and we will do open water swimming
Okay.
together.